Mountain, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. The core essence of I creating this video is to demonstrate how one can actually buy coins on Poppo Live. This has actually been a question that I've always been getting from different people, especially those who are agents on Poppo Live. So today I just felt I should actually do this video to help many out there. So if you see this video, to help push the video to as many people as you can imagine, what you do is you're going to like the video, then drop a comment on how much it has helped you, and then make sure you share with a neighbor who is in need of such a guidance as the one that will be demonstrated in this video. So without any further ado, let's take a ride. What we do is we're going to open Poppo Live, and then straight away we are going to click the profile tab so as to be led to the profile. That's the one which is in the bottom right. Click it. Now initially I didn't know where to go, and the person who had some knowledge shunned helping me, hence I made losses when I began to operate on Poppo Live as an agent. So that actually led to some frustrations, and at some point I took a break. But I wouldn't want you to make such mistakes as I did. So what you do is, if you want to recharge the coins trading account, you have to click coins trading account. Okay, so when you're in, what you do is you click top up, and you'll see these other options here. If you have money in your ePay, you need to click ePay. If your money is in Binance, you need to click Binance. Now what you need to know is the minimum amount of dollars that you have to have in your Binance account. If you want to purchase coins using your Binance account, you have to have $100. That's the minimum. So ePay is actually flexible. You can start from $50. So let's do this. Well, let's go by USDT, and then we copy the URL. After copying the URL, then we head on to the crypto wallet where there is some dollars. So let's make use of Binance. Let's make use of Binance. So we are in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click in the bottom right corner. I will click wallets. Okay, network is pretty bad, but it's loading. Okay, so other features aren't showing because network is pretty bad. But what you need to do is you click spot, and then you click withdraw. I hope you took note of the network, which was that side, that is TRC20. So you need to click on the wallet, and then you go by send via crypto network. So after clicking there, you will need to now choose the network, that's Tron TRC20. Then on top there, you're going to click and hold, then you paste the address that you copied from Poppo Live. Then from here, you need to click the amount of coins that you want to buy, but of course you're going to type that in form of dollars, right? You consider the number of dollars that you have. then you hit withdraw. Then you need to confirm. Okay, so now if you have connected your Binance account with your Authenticator app, you need to head on to the Authenticator app and copy the code that you're going to find there. But if you haven't done so, don't bother. It will go through without you doing this. So I've copied that code and I've pasted it in here. So as I withdraw processing. Okay, so now when it shows that the withdrawal is successful, you have to head on to Poppo Live. And then you click credit immediately. And instantaneously you are going to see the coins reflect. So they are the coins. So that's how we do it. Real simple. If you want to see a video on how to deposit money into your Binance account, there's a video that I will link to this one and you need to watch that one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.